My dear student, I am Madhup Kumar. I am going to explain the second part of the cell chapter. In this chapter, we will cover the cell structure and function, cell membrane, cytoplasm, nucleus, functions of cell organelles, comparison of plant cell and animal cell, and prokaryotic and eukaryotic cell. Here, student, you can see that here is the animal cell and plant cell, and you can see the difference between the animal cell and plant cell through the figure. Here in the animal cell, vacuoles are very small or sometimes not present, but in the plant cell you can see that is very big vacuoles. And in animal cell, that is the nucleus present in the center of the cell, and in the plant cell here you can see nucleus present at the peripheral side of the cell. In animal cell, cell wall is absent, plasma membrane is present, but in plant cell, that is the cell wall present and plasma membrane also present. Animal cell contains centrosome, but plant cell does not contain centrosome. In animal cell, that is the plastid absent, but in plant cell, that is the plastid present. And also in the animal cell, Golgi complex present, but in the plant cell it is known as dictosome. Here you can see that is the animal cell, that is the chick cell. You can see in this cell that is the clear nucleus. Here beta, I am going to explain the structure of cell. A cell is broadly formed of these three major parts. These are plasma membrane or cell membrane, nucleus, cytoplasm with cell organelles. Here in the cell organelles, we will study the endoplasmic reticulum, Golgi bodies, lysosome, vacuoles, mitochondria, centrosome, that is the cell or endoplasmic reticulum, Golgi bodies, lysosome, vacuoles, mitochondria, plastid, centrosome, and that is the cytoskeleton. Here I am going to explain each part of the cell that I told you here. Plasma membrane. Plasma membrane is the outermost covering of the cells. It separates the cell's contents from the external environment. Actually, every cell is bounded by an extremely thin, elastic and selective permeable membranes. It is about 7 to 10 nanometer thick and can be seen only under electron microscope. It is form of lipid and protein layer. Cell wall is found in the plant cell only. It occurs as a rigid protective covering outside the plasma membrane. It is form of cellulose, a non-living substance. Here I am going to explain the work of the plasma membrane. Plasma membrane gives definite shape. It functions as a mechanical barrier, protects the cell contents. Cell wall protects plasma membrane. Cytoplasm and protoplasm. The living substance of the cell bounded by plasma membrane is called protoplasm. It is jelly-like, viscous, colloidal or semi-fluid substance. Protoplasm, which is found between plasma membrane and nuclear membrane, is called cytoplasm. Cytoplasm contains about 90% water, 7% protein, 2% carbohydrate and lipid, and 1% inorganic material and vitamins. Cell organelles. Cytoplasm contains many small structures which are called cell organelles. On the basis of membrane, we can divide cell organelles into three groups. Double membrane bounded cell organelles, that is endoplasmic reticulum, Golgi complex, mitochondria, plastid and vacuoles. Single membrane bounded cell organelles, that is the lysosome, and non-membranous cell organ is ribosome and centrosome. Endoplasmic reticulum. It presents in the cytoplasm of all eukaryotic cells. At some places, these membranes are connected with plasma membrane at one end and with nuclear membrane at the other end, forming continuous channels. It is of two types, rough endoplasmic reticulum and smooth endoplasmic reticulum. When endoplasmic reticulum contains ribosome on it, then it is called rough endoplasmic reticulum, and when ribosomes are not found on them, then it is called the smooth endoplasmic reticulum. There are some functions of endoplasmic reticulum. It forms endoskeletal system of the cell. It forms intracellular transport system. It forms nuclear membrane after every cell division. Rough endoplasmic reticulum help in protein synthesis, and smooth endoplasmic reticulum storage lipid. Golgi complex, it was described by Camillo Golgi in 1898. It present in all eukaryotic cells except WBC, that is present in our body. It contains cisternae, vesicle and vacuoles. In plant cell it is called dictosome. Functions of Golgi complex, it synthesizes the cell wall, plasma membrane and lysosome. It secretes mucous enzyme and hormone. After that, very important cell organ is, that is mitochondria. It is found in the both animal cell and plant cell. Outer membrane is smooth, while the inner membrane forms many finger-like structure that is called cristae. Mitochondria contains its own DNA. Oxidation of glucose takes place in mitochondria and release energy, so it is called or known as the powerhouse of the cell. Plastid, it is called kitchen of the cell and found only in the plant cell. Plastic are basically of three types: chloroplast, chromoplast and leucoplast. Work of the plastid, it does photosynthesis and it provides color to the plant. After that, very important for plant, that is vacuoles. Vacuoles are fluid filled membrane bound clear space in the cytoplasm. They are filled with water and variety of substances like minerals, sugar, carbohydrates, organic acid, pigment and metabolic waste. Vacuoles membrane is called tonoplast and liquid called cell sac. Vacuoles are absent in animal cell, but if present, they are much smaller than found as they are much smaller, and sometimes vacuoles are found in animal as a food vacuoles and contractile vacuoles. Functions of vacuoles. Vacuoles provide turgidity and rigidity. It stores food materials and waste product. It maintains osmotic concentration. It helps in digestion, that is food vacuoles we study in the amoeba. After that, lysosome, it is found only in animal cell. It is a sac-like structure and also called suicidal bag of the cell. This contains several digestive enzymes which are synthesized in rough endoplasmic reticulum and are stored in the lysosome. If these enzymes are released in the cell, they would result in autodigestion of the cell. Hence, lysosomes are referred as a suicidal bag of the cell. Function of lysosome, they protect the body from bacteria and virus. They provide energy by the controlled breakdown of stored food. They help intracellular digestion. Ribosome are a smallest and spherical organelles. They are not bounded by membrane. They occur either scattered in the cytoplasm or attached to the surface of endoplasmic reticulum. Functions of the ribosome: they form ribosomal RNA and synthesize protein. Yes, we will study after that nucleus, that is very important part of the cell. Nucleus is a spherical or oval darkly stained structure. It lies usually in the center of animal cell but is displaced to one side in the plant cell due to development of vacuoles. It was discovered by Robert Brown in 1831. Generally, there is one nucleus per cell, but binucleated and multinucleated cells are also present. For example, striated muscle fiber cells without nucleus are also found. For example, mammalian RBC that is present in our body, sieve tube in the phloem that is the vascular bundle that is present in the plant. Function of structure of nucleus: the nucleus consists of following structure: nuclear envelope, nucleoplasm, nucleolus, chromatin network. Nuclear envelope: the nucleus is surrounded by two lipoprotein membrane similar to plasma membrane. The outer membrane of the nucleus is continuous with the endoplasmic reticulum and may bear ribosome on its surface, while inner membrane is smooth. Nuclear membrane contains several minute nuclear pores. Nucleoplasm: it is the viscous fluid enclosed by nuclear membrane. It contains enzyme, ribosomes and chromatin network. Nucleolus: it is a dense spherical body present within the nucleus. It contains DNA, RNA, protein and enzyme. Chromatin network: they present in nucleus. It breaks into a small pieces that is called the chromosome. Chromosomes contain DNA molecules called GNA and called genes, and genes carry hereditary character. A student, here you can see the chart, that is the summary given, the functions of cell or organelles that I already explained to you. What is the function of mitochondria, endoplasmic reticulum, Golgi body, lysosome, vacuoles, ribosome, plastid, that I already explained you. After that, we will study the plastid. I also explained plastid is of three types, that is the chloroplast of green color, leucoplast, it has no any color, and chromoplast, it is a colored part of the plastid. It provides a different type of color to the plant. Here, a student, I already explained what is the difference between the animal cell and plant cell. Here you can see that cell membrane that is present both in the animal cell and plant cell. Cell wall that is only present in the plant cell, absent in the animal cell. Nucleus, both are present in the animal cell and plant cell. Nuclear membrane also present both in animal cell and plant cell. Cytoplasm also present in animal cell and plant cell. Plastid is present only the plant cell, absent in the animal cell. Vacuoles, both are present in the vacuoles present in both cell, but in plant cell their size are very big and in animal cell their size are very small. Centrosome also, that is present in the only animal cell but it is absent in the plant cell. After that, a student, we will study the different type of cell. A student, you know that cells, there are two type of cells present on the earth. That is, the first is the eukaryotic cell and second is the prokaryotic cell. Prokaryotic cell, that is the first cell developed on the earth. Prokaryotic cells are found in bacteria and cyanobacteria, that we also known as blue-green algae. They range in size from 1 to 10 μ. They have no nucleus. The nuclear material, that is DNA, lies naked in the center of the cell and remain in direct contact with the cytoplasm. Prokaryotic chromosomes are form of single circular DNA molecules. Here, second is the eukaryotic cells. Eukaryotic cells, they are found in both unicellular and multicellular organisms. Their size varies between 5 to 100 μ. They have cell wall. They are well organized nucleus with a definite nuclear membrane. Multiple chromosomes are present in eukaryotic cell. Here you can see that is the bacterial cell. It is a prokaryotic cell, and here different part of the body of bacteria, that is given in this figure. Okay, student, I think you can understand the function of the different part of the cell. Thank you.